Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you the 5ERS review. Is it worth it? Founded in 2016, the 5ERS, a well-known prop trading firm that provides traders with real capital from day one, setting it apart from firms that rely on demo accounts. It offers scalable funding, flexible rules, and affordable entry costs, plus solid education support through webinars and trading rooms. Payments are fast too, with biweekly payouts and reports of same day transfers. On the positive side, it holds an excellent reputation with strong trader reviews. However, it does come with drawbacks. The 5ERS isn't officially regulated, identity verification can cause delays, and platform choices are somewhat limited compared to bigger names. Overall, the 5ERS is worth it if you're looking for accessible capital growth, opportunities, and a supportive trader community. But if regulation, wider platform variety, or maximum account freedom matters most to you, firms like FTMO or My Forex funds may be better alternatives. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.